Hey y'all! Today we're going to go over how Goalie records and tracks your child's usage of the device. Goalie's reporting and history features are still in beta and will be improved in the future. We're going to teach you today how you can get the most out of Goalie's current system. Go to the history page by clicking history at the bottom of the homepage. Once you are in the history page, you have a bunch of different options to look at. For each option, you have a time frame in which you can look at your child's data. In the future, we will also have a more robust option to send all your data to your therapist or clinician so that your child's treatment can be improved based on your collected data. Let's start with behaviors. Goalie tracks all the behaviors you record so that you can see which behaviors your child struggles with most. These recordings let you know what areas you need to focus on for treatment, as well as where your child has improved. The reward screen shows you which reward has been chosen by you or your child, so that you know you need to give them the reward. You can also use this information to figure out your child's favorite rewards in order to create better incentives for them. The points summary indicates all the points your child has received or spent. You can estimate the average amount of points your child is receiving or spending with this feature. This information lets you choose better reward prices. In the future, we will have an easier way for you to view your child's points activity and add up all the different points. Routine history shows all the different routines that have been completed on your child's device. After every routine completion, we ask your child how they feel. We do this because neurodiverse kids, especially those with autism, often struggle to identify and express their own emotions. By tracking their inputs, parents and therapists are better able to understand how their child is feeling throughout the day.